Okay, so here's the deal. My hair is itching. It's been itching a lot since I've been sewing in tracks. So I took my the Q-Tex ring out. Nothing was wrong with it, just my head itch. So let's get out. Okay, so what I've been doing is letting my hair breathe. And to do that, I basically got me a front lace wig, and I've been moisturizing my hair. That's why I look like this, but whatever. I got the Shea Butter and 2 leave-in conditioning repair cream. So it looks like kind of thick, you see it? And this is what I've been doing. Actually, I guess for the last day, I'll take my hair out, and I just did the big top too, because I had relaxed hair on. I took all that crap off. So I'll take my hair out. Well, I shampooed it yesterday, well, co-washed it. Take it out. This is what I've been doing like twice a day. And I'll take a little bit of the anti shea butter, which is actually, I like it, by the way. Someone told me to try it out, and I like it, so yeah. Put a little bit on my hands, rub it through my hair like so, and it just feels so much better. It's so crazy. My hair needed to breathe so bad. And I just put it through my hair like this. Comb it through one time. And put some on that side. And I like saturate my hair with it. This stuff, listen. I think my hair is itching so much because it was craving moisture, and when I had the sewing in, my hair wasn't able to get that. So I just decided to get the lace front. It's a synthetic wig, but whatever, just something for now, because I have some Brazilian or Malaysian hair coming in on Monday. So after I do that, after I moisturize, I usually put some of the cream inside, like through my scalp as well, like just a little bit on the scalp like that. But I already did that earlier. So I braid back up, and please forgive me because I do not have a wig cap. I forgot to get one when I went to the beauty supply store. But Christmas is tomorrow, so well, actually in a couple hours it's 10 o'clock here in Philly. But I know no store is probably gonna be open. Let me just do the other side real quick because this has been there for a minute. But let's take the other side out, and I repeat the same thing that I did on the first side, which is put some moisturizer on it. And this stuff really, really, really like moisturizes my hair. I love it, y'all. I can just feel it. It just feels so good on my scalp, everything. I might be into wigs for a minute just so I can like let my hair breathe. For real. And then I just braid that piece up as I comb it through as well. Really quick, nothing fancy. Just want to make sure my hair is being taken care of. And by the way, my hair is all natural right now. Like I said, I cut all the relax hair off again, but this is the last time. I'm not putting no more relax all in it. This it has clips on it because I actually tried to cut the lace as closely to the hairs as possible because I just wanted like a natural looking finish, but it's deep color lace, and this is by Motown Tress, and I think it's La Famille or something hair. This is synthetic, which I'm not too big on, but I knew I was getting more hair, so I'm not paying all this money for no lace wig when nobody has more hair. So I just got this kind. So I don't have to wait tape like I said before. Excuse me. But I'm going to install the unit. They do have combs on it because this is just a front lace. It's not a full lace. So that's a good thing. And when I'm wearing this tomorrow for the Christmas party I have to go to, I will not be gluing this on. I might actually leave some of my hair out at the top. It depends on how I feel. Because, you know. So this is now, I usually like a side thing, and sorry, because this is the front lace wig, and probably not. I mean, they did have a front lace one with a side, but it didn't have a color that I wanted, so I had to get this one, which is fine. I actually ended up kind of liking this. I don't know how I would like that one. And then I can always cut, my bang, which I'm probably going to do. But for it to be synthetic, it combs through pretty well. I only wore it for one day, so I can't really speak on it. But, so far so good. And I like that I can have like a little part. Okay. So like it's a strap in the back already. No. The outfit failure. But anyway. I think I'm gonna just, because you see, like, it's just a front lace, so it has just a part there, and then the rest of it just track on the cap. The next lace wig I get, I might just get a full lace, because I like the fact that the part can go back a little further. But I bought this from a beauty supply store, and I was not paying the prices when that's too much. I can get it for way cheaper. It's like in the beauty supply store for a full lace, it's like $400-$500. No, I would not be doing that. You already know I'm frugal stuff. So this is it here, and I think I'm gonna cut the bang. And I probably should do it, because I'm gonna wear it, like I said, tomorrow. And what I'm gonna do in order to keep the front to lay down is probably put a clip on it like this, just so it can stay flat. Because you have to like get it to lay the way that you want it. Yeah. So this is the synthetic Motown Tress front lace wig. Love. And it's kind of cute. It looks like if I would do my hair, except for like I said, the bang. And I'm really ready to cut it, like right now. Matter of fact, and actually is like look this way with you guys. Like this is my right, and this is my left. So my name is really going to my left side. You're looking to your right side. I'm sure you guys are smart enough to know that. So yeah, let me just.
Yo, done.
It's pretty long. I think it's like 22 inches. It goes like way past so it's good. It's a good quick fix for now until, you know, I get my Brazil. Yeah. I'm in there.
Body up. Body up. Body up.
But it's good. I think it's cool for synthetic base weight. See the part? It's cool. You like it?